Now, employee liability insurance. So this is a social insurance scheme which is run by the government. So it is the duty of every employer to get the employee liability insurance as per the legal requirement. So employee liability insurance is the cover to employer's liability in the event of any injury or any fatality or any work-related ill health to its employee and others who may be affected by their operations during the accident. The employee liability insurance will help employer by pay the compensation if an employee is injured or become ill because of the work they do for the organization. Employer can also be fined if he does not pay or display the employee liability certificate or refuse to make it available to the labor inspectors when they ask. So this have a legally complications if the employer does not take this employer liability insurance. So why employee liability insurance required? As a social security system, it is a legal requirement for all the organization and it ensures that any employee who sue his or her employer following an accident, like one worker got any accident and he is not able to get any compensation directly from the organization, then he is going to the civil court and requesting for the compensation. So he is assured of receiving the compensation in irrespective of the financial position of the employer in the civil courts. So this is the advantage to the worker or employee who get injured. They are going to get some compensation. The employee liability insurance cover negligence lawsuit over work-related injuries and occupational diseases. Who will be benefited from employee liability insurance? Both employee and employer shall be benefited from the this employee liability insurance. We can take a small example like there are some seasonal business are there. Like for example, there may be the need of any increase in the car sales and during some time like the new year coming or any other festival is coming, people are purchasing the more asset. That time the company is running the production on high rate, but due to other time the company not running the high production and not may not be having the more inflow of the fund, an accident happen, then the employer will not have the money or the so much profit or the revenue. Then this employee liability insurance will help to the employer also because the compensation to be paid by the insurance authorities to the workers and will be taken care by them. All the medical expenditure, hospital expenditure will be taken care by the insurance agency. We can have a look on a sample question. What are the reasons why it is important that an organization maintains employee liability insurance? So it is very clear by reading these particular slides that it is a legal requirement. It protects to the employer, and in the event of any injury, the worker are assured of getting the compensation and irrespective of the financial position of the employer. So we can write the answer of this question.